Hold on, I can't get it late. This not look.
So give me that too.
Just go on with that. I'm good with this. Then I think he might talk because you take out the whole idea. The stuff for give somebody some pine and leave him just for waiting because he can leave after the whole idea.
No, but other than this, man. Whatever that comes from, not true?
Yeah.
Question. How come man looks at the beast and doing so?
You draw cursing out on himself and go by beast place that about him around beast. And that reach him. Look your hand face it catch him.
I'm good.
Go on.
Look here for a second, please.
Let's get going.
So, question. Is another under?
Who the fuck? Youth. You say king man, the fault, can you say I'm significant other than.
But me have friend with for them girl I'm told.
Just go on up. Take something for drinking. Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. It's good. I'll go back up at the farm here now. Because wait.
Bubbles! Wagwan!
How would that?
Wagwan, Jen! Jen Wagwan. Numbers!
Bubbles.
How long time did I say that?
Me there man, I do sense for me just come link Miss Jen, you know?
Okay. You see another farming thing though. You put them dancing now?
No, I know say I put on dancing. Whenever they leave the dancing thing for a little bit, you know, but I deal with the farming, you know. But the dancing thing, I just the time there when you see me do that little thing there with Tanya. Yeah, true, she knows I have the little old school thing, you know, I'm gonna do my little thing and represent, you know, the little old school thing then. Miss Jiggy, I say, all right. Long time I see you now. Yeah, man.
All right, here one. I got the bar and get so picture.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Jen, you need to talk.
Yeah.
You look
I'm
like you're
moving.
on your way out.
I'm moving about, like I say, when you circle upon the farm, man, because hear what? You know, say whisper from circle the farm a couple times, you know.
Whisper tell me same circle, but you know the thing go. I mean,
Fix up couple
Yeah,
things
work
for
on-
him. Fix up
so
couple
hold on, you
bag for
fix
him
up
and
couple
thing.
bag film. Want to me?
But me
They
not
can't
see
say
you.
no, but they can't say they come.
You know, say right. Right. I'll fix up some things and send on and make you know what I want.
Please do. Jen, how old are little you there?
Ask numbers and numbers family.
Your family?
Yeah, man, I'm a little nephew.
Nephew?
I know what you think. Let me tell you.
Mr. Lindo, how are you?
I wanted to come for me again.
If I mean like you, who would wish for that?
I'm fine. Thanks much.
Such a gentleman. Me you say turn farmer now.
Well, something like that. I want to place me in something for it there.
We? Bro, that not have nothing to do with you.
Yeah, your boss put me there. But like over there, so. Quick question. You not tell my uncle about your little secret, yes?
Which secret? if you know what me know, you go easier and enjoy your family and your work.
Yeah. You look like him can change, you know.
Well, guess what?
Look like.
A little thing want go on. Numbers. Let's not go.
No,
there.
man, I'm good.
Just one guiding and keep it back right.
That could be the same man.
No
If
impulse.
she talk to my nephew, the food get lower. She look like she love her belly.
Numbers. The young lady is sick. So she alright.
Alright, nice style with you, nice style with you. Everything alright. What's your style? I move again, you know. Good for seeing you know.
Yeah man, it's always a pleasure.
But
May I go come down to the farm one of the days.
Circle the farm.
Yeah man.
Miss Jenny, you know the style. Tell the big man, sir. Now circle like a man turtle and give him to start here.
Definitely.
Alright, big up on yourself. You know.
Our numbers.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, I'm gonna make a kid.
Sorry for break it up. Look at miss. Big up yourself, you know. Nice to see you again, you know. It's jiggy. Yeah, man.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah, man. Cheers, you know, some movements again. We have to reach back on the farm. So, see you now, all a little reason. Yes,
See you
man.
again.
Cheers. You're a nice young lady, you know. He's a farm boy, you know. Good news, you know. Yeah, man, my doing thing, man. If you circle the farm on idea, then, yeah? Yeah, man. Good news. Come on, what? Good. Let me tell you something. Nice young lady. Shut your shot!
So what is your greatest worry now?
Truth is, every time I come out of the yard and start worrying these days, I just worry that I might just get a phone call say and get shut up or something.
So Radcliffe come back up at the yard?
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. And the thing about it, you know, he tell me say, if him see George up a inside, I'm gonna mix him up in the foundation up there.